Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And we have Jim here with us from San Antonio. Jim works out in Carlsbad, New Mexico. That's where the caves are, right?
Yeah.
Carlsbad Caves?
Mm-hmm.
Those are pretty. I haven't been there.
I've been to them yet.
You haven't been to them yet? Yeah. And he's been watching us on YouTube for how long?
About a year.
About a year now. So you consider yourself a San Antonio crack addict?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, good. All right. So he's coming over here with chronic lower back pain that radiates down into both thighs, and right hip pain, numbness and tingling in the anterior part of his thighs and his quads. He's been having some recent mid-back pain and spasm in here, especially when he bends his head forward, right?
Absolutely.
And also some neck pain, stiffness, and occasional headaches. That's not a big deal for him, but occasional. So I just did his orthopedic neurological evaluation, and he does have a leg length deficiency on the left of about a 1/4 inch. It gets longer when I bring it up, so that tells me his SI joint's out of place. So we're going to do his first adjustment here today. Now, he's been adjusted by other chiropractors from all over the United States before. So when we get done here, I'll let him tell you how he felt with this technique and see how he does. Okay, so let's lay you back on your stomach for me, Jim. Face down in there, please, sir. I'm going to start off adjusting his SI joints. He brought his x-rays in, which is great. That's the way that people should do from out of state and out of town, is bring their diagnostic test with them so I can actually look at them and see what's going on. He has a curvature scoliosis down in his thoracolumbar spine region. That's it. Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright. Let's see if I can get one more up here. There it is. Boy, made me work for that one. And he has a lot of misalignments where his ribs and vertebrae attached back here, and all that'll move when I decompress him. Let's go on your back for me now. And Jim's one of these patients that was watching our videos and instinctively knew that he needed to be decompressed, right, Jim?
Absolutely.
There we go. Slide down this way a little bit. And let's put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing out. Yep. Adjust your clavicles here and your anterior ribs. Good. Okay, you can relax your hands right there. Let me have this leg go like a limp right here. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your lower back.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Same here. Let this go. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay, let's hit you up sideways and face that way, please, sir. So that's decompressioning from the lower end. Just let me have this arm. I'm going to keep your chin up. I know if you drop your head forward a lot, that's where you're getting a lot of that forward head posture from. Probably with your work too, huh?
Yeah.
Looking at the computer a lot.
Driving a truck.
Yep. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's come over here on this table now. I'm gonna have you lay your butt right here.
Okay.
Head up this way, please, sir. Down just a little bit more. That's Perfect right there. Okay. I'm going to pin in your iliac crest here, your hip bones.
All right.
So just lay flat. It's going to feel tight, and it should. Probably even one more. Yep. Feel like you're in there tight enough? I'm not going to get away. So this is the first time you've ever had this adjustment, right?
Yes.
Okay. There we go. Just breathe through your nose. I'll get the rest here. Wiggle your left ear. There you go. Boy, oh boy. I know you felt that one all the way down.
Oh, yeah.
That was a home run. That's why I call it ring dinger.
Yep.
Should have felt that go all the way down. Let me have your neck on this one. Perfect. Drop it in my hand. Just like that. Yes, sir. You did good on your first one. You didn't scream a bit.
No.
Good for you. But you felt that all the way down to the bottom of your spine, didn't you?
Yeah, especially with my
Lower back, yep. So when you get up, Jim, turn sideways and push yourself up with your left arm.
Okay.
Bring your legs over. There you go. Just like that. And then we're going to stand right here in front of the mirror for me again. Okay. I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards for me again. Remember how this feels. You already have better range of motion. Look how you're standing up now. See, your chin's up higher.
Yeah, I feel a little back.
You're standing up straighter.
Mm-hmm.
And look at the spacing now down here is more even from side to side.
Yep.
Okay, so pull these shoulders up and back for me. This is your homework right here.
Okay.
Flare these guys like this. Now see, your head's a little forward. That's called forward head posture. So we want to bring it straight back this way first. You're a little right, so we go left. Now look backwards at the wall behind you. You're going to feel a little tap there. There. Okay, relax. Now, when you flex your head forward and backwards again, Jim, tell me if this feels any different to you than the previous two.
Yes, it does.
In what way?
Feels a lot smoother.
Okay, good. So, your instinct told you from watching our video that you need to be decompressed. You got decompressed. A lot of people want to know what's the very first time ring dinger feel like. So I'll let you answer that question for them.
It's, I don't even know how to describe it. You kind of have to get in here and
Well, it's an
do it yourself.
intense adjustment, isn't it?
It is. It's nothing I've never felt before.
Did you feel it go all the way down though,
Yeah.
to the base?
It started at the
Neck
bottom of
and-
my neck, and then it
in
shot
that
straight
mid-back
down.
area, yeah.
And I felt it most in my lower back where I was.
How do you feel right now compared to when you walked in the door?
Amazing.
Better?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Does your low back hurting as bad as when
Not
you
at all.
came in? Not at all.
I don't feel any of the pain in my lower back right now.
Great. You will be sore, I promise you that. Get some crushed ice and put it right on the skin for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Over the next 72 hours.
Okay.
And drink a gallon of water every day the rest of your life.
I do.
Other than that, going to keep moving. Walking and swimming,
Mhm.
exercise is good. Movement's good for your rehab. Immobility, sitting around too much or laying around too much is bad for you.
Okay.
So just keep moving. And Jim's from San Antonio, so I'm just going to put him on an as-needed basis. He can just call and come over when he feels like it or when he's around here.
Mhm.
So does that work for you?
Yeah, I'll be back.
Okay, very good. Thank you for doing the video for everyone.
No problem.
So
Thank
if you instinctively feel like you're compressed and need to be decompressed, that's exactly what I do here with the Johnson chiropractic technique, which is called the ring dinger. It's actually a manual spinal decompression that moves everything from the occiput all the way down to the sacrum. All 24 freely movable vertebrae. You can go to advancedchiropractor.com and fill out a new patient request form and get in. That's how you got an appointment, isn't it?
Yes.
Yep. Because we don't answer our phones. We're too busy to do that. So anyway, we hope to see you soon. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.